Hi friends, welcome to Srisai IT Hub. In this video of Core Java Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: getId, current thread methods in Java multithreading. Right. So first of all, what is this multithreading in Java? So multithreading means executing two or more small logics parallelly in a same Java program along with main method is known as multithreading. So to perform multithreading in Java, we have thread class from java.lang package. Now, so in this thread class, we have two important methods. If you see the description of thread class, java p -public java.lang.Thread. So we have getId method, which will return a long value. And then we also have one more method, currentThread, which is a static method. So we can use this directly with class name thread.currentThread. It returns a thread object reference, which means the current executed thread in the run method, its object reference. So getId method gives the unique ID, which is given by JVM for a particular thread. So this is a positive number which is generated by JVM at the time of thread creation. It is used to identify a thread uniquely, and this thread ID is not changed for a particular thread till the life cycle of that particular thread, and when the thread is terminated, its ID can be reused by JVM. Okay, right. So let us try to use getId and currentThread static method, okay, in a Java program. So take a new page, okay, and then first write comments at the beginning of the program. So after comments, let us create our own thread, sample thread extends thread, which is step 1 using a thread class, and step 2 redefine the run method in your thread class. So inside the run method, I'm using a for loop which will execute 10 times. For I equal to 1, I less than or equal to 10, I plus plus, and then we are printing here system.out.println, so thread.currentThread. So whichever thread is currently executing run method, or whichever thread is in running state. So you will get the reference of that particular thread using currentThread method. So currentThread dot getName. So print its name 10 times. Next, main class with main method Java getId currentThread methods example1.java. Save it in your working directory. So program execution starts with main thread. So in the main thread, I'm creating 3 threads. Okay, we don't require 3 threads here, just require 2 threads. So sample thread T1, sample thread T2, new sample thread. Step 3 of multi-threading, and step 4 start both the threads. T1.start, T2.start. But before that, for T1 we are setting a name hello thread, and for T2 we are setting a name 2 tab spaces welcome thread. So when we start this both the threads T1 T2, both of them will come to the run method and start executing parallelly by sharing the CPU time using JVM thread scheduling algorithms, which is done automatically, and 10 times both the threads will be printing its name current thread. So whichever thread is the current thread, you will get its reference inside the for loop. So current thread dot get name, right? And then we are also printing t1 dot get id, t2 dot get id inside the main thread or main method, unique number which is given by JVM at the time of thread creation, right? So come to the command prompt. So compile the program. Java getId current thread methods example1.java. So no error on successful compilation, and then run it. Okay. Right, if you see here, hello thread and welcome thread, when they come to the run method, so current thread it will return the reference of the current thread object reference t1.getName, t2.getName. And in the main method, we have also printed ID of both the threads. So thread 1 ID is 14, thread 2 ID is 15. So once again run it. So hello thread, welcome thread executed parallelly by printing its name in the run method 10 times using currentThread.getName, and IDs are 14 and 15. So these IDs may change from execution to execution, system to system. So this is how we have to identify a thread uniquely in a Java program using getId, and then currentThread method, it will give the reference of a particular thread which is currently executing the run method. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.